Hello. I hope everything is working. Okay, it looks like it is. Hello. I'm going to be playing TradeBots again and learning about technical analysis. So, I'm excited to buy some more stocks and see how they go. A little summary of last time, but I'm pretty proud to say I started with 90 or 89 cents, and thank you for the hearts. I see them. I started with 89 cents and now I have $121. So that's fun. Oh, and as a reminder, I didn't switch that to live. Okay, as a reminder, either next week or the week after will be my 200 sub on the red site celebration. So if anyone has any demos on PC that are on Steam or itch.io, like any official demo, please comment on one of my community posts, or you can do it on Twitter as well. Because I'm still looking for games. I currently have 3 games. I have Mean, Mayhem, Mimic Logic, and I think it's called Yomi Hustle. Like, yeah. If not, I will find some demos on my own, which is always interesting. I'll try to pick a variety of them. But yeah. And also another thank you for the people who voted for the programming language on Twitter. I'll be making another post really soon gathering the top voted languages, and then I will make another post to finalize which language I'm gonna start trying to make that video series on. So exciting stuff coming up. And another announcement, there's a lot of stuff, is that I will be going on hiatus in September, for the month of September. It was sort of unexpected, but I was called to go to a sort of business meeting thing. So yeah, I unfortunately can't stream while I'm traveling. So most of the month of September will be in hiatus. I'm trying to make some stuff to release as videos during that time, so hopefully I'll finish. One of them is almost done, but I want to try to make some like three things, 3 little short things, just so that there's something there on my channel for those 4 weeks that I'm gonna be gone. But yeah, I'll make another announcement finalizing what time and stuff. But I'll be back in October for sure. Maybe the last week of September I'll be back too. Who knows? But yeah, those are the announcements. That's a lot. A lot for today. But without further ado, I'll be switching to here. And I'm going to be playing some background music. Okay, let me bring my chats back. Making pre-record gameplay videos and set them to upload. So I like doing something sort of special. I think I'm gonna try to do something special. It's music related. I haven't done a music song cover thing in a while. But yeah, I prefer gameplays for me personally, just to be on stream. I think it's a lot easier that way. A lot more fun for me as well. I get to experience things for the first time with chat. When it's just uploading gameplay, I feel like it can get a little bit bland. At least with me, because I'm not used to doing pre-recorded gameplay videos. Yeah, I'll probably be either clips or some music stuff. But we'll have to see. So if you remember last time, you can review our net worth. We started here basically at 0. We got to 500 and something. I invested. This is an investment. Don't worry about this drop. It's an investment. I invested $500 something into an upgrade so that I can invest even more, and it's slowly gonna go up. And another review, one of them was margin loan, or a margin, which is basically a loan where you can use that money to invest, and your money plus the margin loan, or whatever money you can use to invest in stocks, so the total amount of money, is called buying power. We also learned about volume. So volume are these little bar graphs. So that's the amount of stock that is being traded at that time, and these are called candles. So the red ones are called bearish candles, and the green ones are called bullish candles. Bullish means that when it opens, the price is lower than when it last sold. Yeah, when it closes, sorry. So the market closes at a higher price, and bearish is when the market closes at a lower price. And these candle, like the lines, I believe are the lowest a stock was sold that day and the highest a stock was sold. So I don't actually have that much money right now because I spent it on an upgrade. We could spend it on another upgrade, but I kind of want to just try one without spending any upgrades, and then I'll start to upgrade things and then learn and earn down here. I think I'm gonna spend $50. Okay, let's see if it goes up. So I bought it right here. This little arrow means I bought the stock. I bought it on a bearish day. So bearish means it goes down. Like bear. Just like me. And I have margin pay interest. So margin interest is that sort of loan interest that you can use to increase your buying power. Oh no. Oh no. Oh, okay. No. Oh, it went back up. It's gonna go up, right? It's pretty higher than what I bought it as. So that's okay. Oh, never mind. It's going down. And a lot of times the volume of stock, so the amount of stock that's being traded, can tell you a lot. And I believe the video said that it can tell you more when it's gonna go up versus going down. So you can see that when it's going down here, the margin stock, or the volume of it there's quite a bit of volume here, so I'm worried it will go down more. Oh, okay, we are losing money. We are definitely buy high, sell low today. It's just gonna go down, isn't it? Can I break even? Oh, I should have sold then. It's okay. Let's see if it will increase. I just want to break even. Okay, oh, I will lose money. I bought around $50. Oh, okay, it's going. I'm gonna wait just a little more. So you can see that the volume here increased by a lot while it was going up. And then sure enough, the market went up a lot. Oh no, I should have bought then. Oh wait, no, it's increasing. So as we can see, it's increasing this little corner. If we look at this corner right here, the volume hasn't increased too much though. I'm hoping that it just goes up a little so I can actually break even. Okay, I'm gonna sell actually. Let's sell all of it. Because I have a feeling, well, it is increasing and the volume went up, but I don't want to risk it. Okay, yeah, it's gonna go up some more, isn't it? Yeah, because the volume here it started increasing, but that's okay. I didn't want to be too risky. I still made some money though. I think I made $20 or so. I bought $50 worth or something, and then I sold for more than $20. $30. I sold for $80. Although I should have just held. Whoa! So you can see here that the volume has increased by a lot. And I'm just gonna keep going. I should have held. Oh well. Oh, it went down that day. Whoa! But we're fine. So my buying power right now is up here. So it is $228. But however, I only own actually $128. Whoa, it's going up so much. Okay. Keep going. I just want to see the end of it. I'm not gonna buy anymore for this one, and then I'm gonna upgrade. Keep going. I wish I didn't have to click so many times. I don't know if you can hear it. I don't think my mic is picking it up. Hopefully it's not. I'm just pressing my mouse button. I wish I could just hold it and it will go until I want it to stop. Dang, I was unlucky. I just got it where it started going up. To be fair, I bought it pretty low though. Whoa! Oh, I think because of my interest, I'm actually losing money. That's okay. It's fine. I'm gonna tell myself it's fine. Keep going. We will recover for the next stock. Okay. Can you keep going, please? I just want to end. How long is this data? How long will your break in September be? The whole month, probably. Yeah. Basically, it's gonna be the whole month, probably. And the thing is, normally I would work on stuff behind the scenes if I do take a break, but this time it's a full-on hiatus. I can't work on things. Because I have to actually make money. I'm losing so much money. How long is this stock gonna be? I just want to finish it. I've been clicking nonstop for the past few minutes. Okay, you know, let's learn about an upgrade, shall we? Okay, so 7-day SMA indicator. Let's learn about that. So I'm gonna pause my background music and go to here. Okay, how to read moving averages. Oh, this one's super short. Let's turn on the...
A moving average is a widely used indicator in technical analysis and day trading. Moving averages help to smooth the price data in a chart and can be used to help identify price trends or identify potential support and resistance levels while trading. There are two main types of moving averages: simple moving averages and exponential moving averages, SMA and EMA for short. Simple moving averages are also referred to as arithmetic moving averages.
Oh.
To calculate an SMA, You take the sum of the closing prices over a given period of days, then divide it by the number of days in that period. For example, for a 5-day SMA, just take the sum of the closing price data over the last 5 days, then divide it by 5.
So you get like the average closing price?
It's constantly updated. Old data is removed when new data becomes available. If your SMA is based on a short time frame, it'll be more volatile, but will closely follow the source data. And if you base your SMA on a long time frame, it displays a smoother moving average. Exponential moving averages, also called exponentially weighted moving averages, work a little differently from simple moving averages. EMAs place greater weight on the most recent data points than SMAs, which means they react more significantly to recent price movements. Both kinds of moving averages are calculated using data from previous days, making them lagging indicators. In other words, they can only display changes that have already occurred. Because of that, traders and analysts commonly use moving averages alongside other kinds of indicators to get the best understanding of market trends. Stay tuned to Binance Academy for more about different kinds of indicators.
All right, let's take the quiz. So simple moving indicator, I guess I'll summarize that lesson first. Simple moving indicator is basically an average of the closing days, and an exponential moving indicator is when you weigh the newer data more than the older data. And they are both lagging indicators because they're based off of past data. So, to get the simple moving average of the stock, you divide the lowest closing price over a specific number of periods, the sum of the stock's closing price over a specific number of periods. The sum of the stock's closing price. What? Lowest closing price. Sum of the stock's closing price. Is it this one? But I thought it was the I thought it was the closing price of certain days. Let's say one day it closes at $1 and the next day it closes at $2. Then you add those two and divide it by 2. Huh? When a moving average is falling, it may signal the price is in a downward trend, okay? A longer term simple moving average is slower to respond to price change. The short term will always predict future price performance. No. Will always cross above a short moving average. No. Is faster to respond to price changes. I feel like this one. Slower to respond because it's got a bigger data set. Which one is not a type of moving average? Quadratic? A technical analysis would typically look for a trend by comparing 7 and 30-day moving averages. No! So close. Okay. So this is downward. Longer term moving averages will slower to respond. I thought it was 7-day because it gave us a 7-day. Maybe 30, 90-day? I clicked that one twice. The highest closing price. No. You divide by... Oh, would I divide by a specific number of periods? I need to read the question more. That was just a dumb mistake by me. I need to read. Is not type of moving average quadratic. When a moving average is falling, it may signal price is in a downward trend. The last one, I don't know this. So it's not 30-day, it's not this one. So it must be more. 50 to 200-day. Oh, okay. So I see that this blue line, that this blue line is the moving average. Oh, it's still going up. How long is this gonna be? I like that video though. It was very short and sweet, but also pretty informative. It's year 7. How long is this stock? 7 years? Why is this stock 7 years? I'm losing so much money. I don't have enough money to pay the interest. I may have to buy at the next dip. I don't know how long this is gonna last. Okay, let's buy some. Let's buy like $20. Okay. You have gains of 23.14%. On Shopify, your investments will be liquidated. Okay. Well, that kind of sucked. That was bad for me. I'm gonna head out. See ya. Bye! Thank you for dropping by. I appreciate it. So I have no money. I've been losing. I've been truly selling low and buying high. I have a feeling that the stock might decrease a little. So we can see that this is only 7-day average. I wish I could get a bigger picture. Oh, it's gonna increase? Oh no, it's decreasing. Okay, we can see that the volume is starting to increase, so I'm just gonna buy. I'm gonna buy 50. I may go broke. Because the volume was starting to increase, but I guess it just decreased right then. Oh no, it's gonna go down. Oh no. Uh-oh. I should have just waited. If I just waited a little bit more, I would have been fine. Okay, increasing trend. There's more buyer volume. I have no money. It's increasing. Okay, it's increasing. Okay, there we go. I made the correct decision. Alright. I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna wait. So, it's very squiggly. The short term, the SMA, the short... What was it called? The short... SMA. Or simple moving average. The simple moving average. And there's the EMA, which is the exponential moving average. Oh no. Oh no, it's going down. It's okay, just wait it out. I think I've learned from the previous few, it's just, I just don't wait long enough. That, and it takes forever to click. Oh, okay. Okay. Oh, the stock is dropping. I may go broke. Who knows? I should have sold. I should have sold. I really should have sold. We are indeed buying high, selling low. That is the name of this game. Oh, I forgot to turn on my background music. Oops. I know how to stream. Don't worry about the scuff. There is no scuff. Or should I buy more? This is risky, but I'm gonna buy more. I'm gonna buy like another $20. I only have $60 left. This is really bad. Oh no, please don't go any lower. I'm gonna be broke. Go up. Go up. The buyer volume is going up, right? There's a lot of buyer volume. Well, on the updates, there's a lot of buyer volume. A lot of transactions. Oh no. Oh no. Unlucky. I'm waiting. It was so high, I should have just sold it. Oh, the trend looks like it's gonna go down even more. I have no money. At this rate, I'm gonna need to take some loans. Why didn't I sell here? How was I supposed to know? I have no money left. I'm gonna see the end to this, though. Keep going. Okay, trend is upward. Trend is upward. The SMA is going up. So is the volume a little bit. Oh no. I can't even break even. Should I just sell? Okay, watch me sell it, and then it's just gonna go up immediately after. I'm a hold. I'm a hold. I have $33 left. I think I lost quite a bit of money. I should not have bought more. Oh, I misclicked. Go up! Go up! Trend is looks like it's gonna be flat for a little while. Go up! Okay, it's gonna go up a little bit, yeah. Okay, up, up, no, no, not down. Is this just gonna flatten out? I made no money. I just think I lost a lot of money. Oh, it's gonna go down some more. Oh, it's going back up? Maybe? Maybe? Nope. Let's see. Keep going. Oh, my hand is getting tired from clicking my mouse. Oh, oh, it's going, it's going, it's going. Yes, yes. Holding was the correct decision. Absolutely, I know what I'm doing. I totally know what I'm doing. Oh, oh no, no. No! Oh no! I should have sold it. Ah. It's gonna go back up, right? Okay, okay, it looks like it's going back up. Yes, yes. This is what I want to see. I'm just gonna hold until the end of this. Honestly, I don't know if I can do... Oh, it's going up. It's going up. Should I sell? I'm gonna sell. I think it's best I sell right now. I'm gonna go broke. That's not bad. That's not bad. I guess I could have held some more, but I don't mind. Oh, maybe I should have held some more. See, this always happens. Every time I sell, it just jumps up. It was down for so long, and now it just jumps up. And I'm trying to use the tools. So I'm using the SMA to decide what's what the trend is, and I am looking at the buyer volume, but this is not this is not great. I should have just held. Oh, too late now. I think I just barely broke even. But it's fine, it's fine. Oh, it's going down. But I'm not gonna buy any more in trade. I don't think is good. Look at what happened here. This is such a mess. My net worth is absolutely terrible. Yeah. I lost quite a bit of money. Oh, it's dropping down though. I guess it wasn't that bad. I broke even for the most part. The thing is, I have so much interest I have to pay. So a lot of the money has just been going to pay interest. And my hand is getting tired from clicking. I really wish I could just continue. Oh, it's going down a lot. Whoa, it just dropped. Okay, keep clicking. Or maybe right now is a good time to buy. Is it a good time to buy? I think I'm just gonna see the end of this. How much more does this stock have? How much more? My hand is about to break. It is going up a little. And we can see that these little bars down here are the volume. They are... what's it called? Yeah, volume. Trade volume. So that's the amount of trades that have been happening. But I'm seriously losing so much money on the margin loan that I took out. So I started playing today with $200 something, and I currently have $49. Truly a buy high, sell low moment. Buy low, sell lower. How long is this gonna go for? It's 11 years. Okay. Gonna keep going. See what happens. How long is this gonna go for? Should I buy more then? I don't know. I'm clicking. I'm clicking like my life depends on it. Alright. Maybe I should have bought at that dip. The thing is, I don't really have much buying power left. I only have that $100. To be fair, it's better than what I started out with, which was less than $1. $11 years. 12 years. Should I buy the dip? Okay, I'm gonna buy $10 worth. $12. Yeah, $10 worth. And then I'm just gonna keep going. Oh no. It's gonna go down. Hello, good evening. So the trade volume has been relatively the same. I got unlucky. I think I lost my $10. Keep going. Okay, okay. So we can see, actually, buyer volume has been not super high. But it is going up, so that might mean that the up is not very stable. Okay, now buyer volume is increasing a little. And it is going up. So I made around $10? Oh, it's increasing a lot. Whoa, whoa, whoa! What's going on? I'm getting lucky. So the buyer volume has increased here. And hopefully it can go up some more. Oh, okay. Okay, okay. I'm best. I'm great. Oh. So I bought $10 worth of stock. I basically just broke even with this sell. And now I have $47. I bought it for around $10? Am I getting late? Am I getting late? What do you mean? Oh, it's dropping. Let's see. So the trend is going down. So you can see that the average, which is that blue line, the 7-day average, the simple, what was it? Simple moving average. Okay, hopefully it can stabilize. I'm gonna sell. I think I don't want to risk too much. However, this amount of money I made, it's pretty good. Pretty good. Pretty good. No, it's increasing. I missed it. No. I should have looked. I guess, like, how would I know the volume for it on the decreasing trend was increasing? But I couldn't have predicted that it would have increased. However, I still made the money, so I'm not mad about that. Yeah, keep going, keep continuing. You know, I think it's time for an upgrade. I sort of want to upgrade something. I don't really want to increase my margin loans because I don't think I have that money to sell. I don't have enough money to pay off the interest. Oh, I should have held. Oh well, it's okay. What could I have done? What could I have done? Nothing really. Oh, it's dropping. Okay. Should I purchase again? I think I am. I'm gonna buy another $10 worth. Roughly around 10. And I have to be careful with the transaction fees, because you can actually lose quite a bit of money with the transaction fees. Oh, I should have waited. It's going down. It will go back up, right? Yeah, no, yes. It's going up. Oh no. It's okay. $10 loss is okay. At least it's not $50. Oh, it's going down. It's going down. I have no money left. Alright, can you increase, please? Please? So the volume here is low, but it's also going down. So hopefully that means it will stabilize and go back up. Or not. Or, yeah, just keep going lower. Oh, my $10 is gone. Unlucky. I'm very bad at timing these things, because you can only sort of predict with what you have. Even then, you don't really know what will happen. I made gains of 115%. Alright. But I don't really have much money. Okay, so I do need to make some money before I can even upgrade stuff. I want to... It's not smart for me to do this. I don't want another loan. Some upgrades will unlock opportunities to earn money. Okay, so that one will not let me earn some money. This one, however, will. So maybe if I will make roughly around $10. So let's do that. Let's learn about brushing. Oh wait, I have a negative balance. I currently have a negative balance. You can restart your progress at any time and hold on any bank rewards, and all quizzes will need to be repurchased. And hold on any bank. So that was not smart. But we can make the money back. So I have a negative balance. However, I can make the $10 back. So let's learn about brushing. And I will turn off the background music. So here. Am I the only one here? Chat. Oh, yeah, that happens a lot. Some people are shy, or maybe there's just you watching. Uncle
Brushing allows you to
so much
select
buddy
data.
because he was shocked he lost it because he's late to take it. That's what I'm worried about. I'm always late, but at the same time, it's just too hard to learn sometimes. A brush down icon drop-down menu has been added and left to the hamburger menu, where you can view the totality of the stock's activity and click and drag to zoom in particular sections. Comparing the stock's movement at a particular time to its historic movement may provide insight into future performance. The zoom slider adjusts so you have new data that is simulated. Your view remains consistent to a relative period of time, helping you to notice trends.
On a dashboard and show related items within the same view. Today I'm going to show you why this is useful and how to implement this simple concept on your dashboards using Dundas BI. Oh, and I'm Jeff, and this is Off the Charts with Jeff.
Hello, Jeff.
Let's first start with an example. Here's a quick dashboard that I put together showing the United States election results in 2004. We're showing one data set
what is that?
in many different ways with the chord diagram as the center focal point of the dashboard. Brushing allows me to use and explore this data set very quickly. As you can see, as I highlight party, state, either in the map or in the labels, we can quickly see related data being highlighted. You'll also notice that since the chord diagram is fairly overloaded in itself, and it's hard to see everything immediately, brushing helps because we can mouse over this chart and just make sense of all the series overlapping each other very quickly. By the way, brushing also works on a legend if you have one, where a chart gets very complex with overlapping series. I sometimes see these a lot with line charts. There are other visualizations available, but sometimes you do want to put everything on one visualization for one reason or another. Now, how do we set this up? Well, you're quite literally done already. Data brushing is automatically there, and you'll notice if you build a dashboard that there's a magic parameter that shows up.
So data brushing is
called
just
a brush
looking
view
at a
parameter. It shows up in
particular
all of
set
your
of data
dashboards.
in time.
This parameter is basically what chooses what's going to be displayed as you start mousing over. So if I mouse over an object on a dashboard, it's going to copy the parameter of that object into the brush view parameter, and that's how the highlighting takes place. It's all done automatically. You don't have to worry about it. Now, if you don't want brushing for some reason, deleting the brush view parameter simply removes it, and that's it. And one other thing that's very helpful is sometimes the ability to click and have the brushing stay highlighted, because you might want to take some time or do further analysis. You can absolutely do this as well. Now, if you go in and you first disable automatic brushing using this property, then all you have to do is click on one of your visualizations, create an interaction, a filter interaction specifically, and on click, feed information into that brush view parameter. So if I wanted, for example, on this chart or the map, simply to click on it and have it stay highlighted, I absolutely can. It doesn't have to be a mouse over, although the mouse over is a very nice way of doing it as well. And that's all. Pretty cool stuff, isn't it? I really like how the selection mechanism lets you explore and understand your data that you're seeing a little bit more. Now, do you like this concept and how easy it was to implement? Take a look at our video on the importance of annotations, as they're an equally easy thing to implement to give better insights to your data.
So that's sort of labeling your data. Okay, let's see. Which of these is not important in brushing? Seeing data activity once years of data has been accrued. Contrasting micro stock behavior with macro behavior. Comparing yesterday's high and low. I like that one. See, the whole point of brushing is to pick out certain data points and compare them to the overall view picture and try to comprehend that, or try to take that certain data points and predict the future. What is brushing in this context? What is brushing in this in this context? An important hygienic habit done twice a day. Yes, please brush your teeth twice a day. Painting custom trend lines and candlesticks. So no, not that one either. I don't think so, at least. And zooming and panning a large data set. So I feel like it is these two. This one? Yes. Yes, it is. Why is it important to compare historical trends to modern ones? Because if it's once happened, it'll never happen again. No, that's not true. Historical trends are guaranteed to repeat. Also not true. The trend is your friend. I feel like that's the answer. Stock behavior can be cyclical? I feel like trend is your friend. These two. I don't know. Hold on. What does this word mean? Cyclical. Cycles. Cyclical. Cyclical? Cyclical. So it goes in cycles. I feel like this one? Yes, because you can use the previous data to predict the future, because oftentimes trends will repeat themselves. I feel like the trend one relates more to the SMA, the simple moving average. Simple moving average, I think. I forgot. I forgot what the A stands for. An uptrend may be indicated by lower swing high, more traders shorting positions, an overall increase in price. Yes. Trends can be helpful for finding entry and exit prices. No. Minimizing trading fees, guaranteeing a trading profit, earning larger dividends. That one. No, it probably was guaranteeing a trading profit. Okay. Trends can be helpful for minimizing, finding entry and exit prices by increasing overall price, which is the falling Want to compare historical trends to modern ones. Habits cycles. This one, finding entry and exit prices. So entry prices of buying it and the sell prices? I don't really understand that one. Brushing this context. Important. I keep laughing at this one. And which of these is not important? The short term, because you want that to use long term. I don't think you understand. I do understand. I would have gotten most of them wrong if I didn't. It's just hard for me to explain what I'm thinking, so. Okay. If I spend 60, I can get another $10. So I guess this down here. I feel that 7 months is good. So this down here is the brush. And I can see the SMA and the volume. So I'm gonna try to buy. I don't have much money. It's sort of flattening out. I'm gonna wait just a tad bit. Maybe this is a little too long. Max period, 7 months. Or maybe not. Maybe I should make it longer. Oh. 7 days. That's too short. We'll do 1 year. 12 months. So it's going up. Kind of flat right now. I feel I'm just gonna wait a little bit. There's not much movement. And even the previous one, the cycle, I guess, oh, it kind of went down and up. Is that sort of a cycle? Maybe not. Let's see. It doesn't really change much. So I am gonna buy. I'm gonna buy $25 worth. Yeah. Process trade. I have only $18 left. There isn't much change. Oh, now it's going up. All right, all right. So it will, in terms of cycle, I'm not really seeing a cycle, at least historically. I bought $25. I currently have $41. So it is gonna go up and maybe stay around here, but overall increase. We can see the buyer volume is roughly around the same. The only big change was sort of over here. Gonna keep going. Why did you stream about stocks? Because it's fun, and I think it is what I want to create my channel with, which is learning things. You know it's not going to get viewers. Well, first of all, you never know, and also I don't really stream for views. I stream because I want to help inspire people to try new things and learn new things. So even if it's just one person who maybe gains an interest in learning about technical analysis, or either gains an interest in like math, or thinks that they could try something new. It's sort of like, that's my goal. That's my goal as a content creator, is to help inspire people to learn or to teach some stuff. Oh, it dropped a little. That's okay. Okay, is the cycle gonna show? Because so far there has been no cycle in the brush. I did make quite a bit of money so far, though. I bought it at 25. Now I have 60. And keep going. Oh, the background music. Oops. My bad. Okay. It's going up. I'm gonna keep holding. So, looking at historical data, just increased. Not much change down here. Increase, decrease a little, and it will increase. I guess maybe that's sort of the cycle? I'm trying to make sense of what I just learned. Yeah, increase more. Okay, okay. So the cycle is, it sort of has this sort of flat increase and then drops down for a little bit and then starts to increase, and I think it'll drop down again a little bit. But overall, relatively steady growth. There's no huge spikes in like increasing or decreasing. Buyer volume has increased a little bit. Oh, that's it? I've made 156.14%. I have that much in cash. Nice! So we recovered. Recovered from losing that much money. So I think I do want to reduce the loan interest. So let's upgrade. And we can do another quiz, I think. Or no? I guess not. Never mind. So new stock. And I'm happy that the loan decreased by 1%. It's only 1%, but it will help a lot with the few cents I have. So here is my overall net worth. We had increase, decreased, slowly decreased, and then it's starting to go back up. Oh, hopefully it will stay that way. So these big long stretches of decrease, and including this one, is a upgrade. So I consider that an investment in itself. So I'm gonna wait a little just to get a little bit more data. What happened? Oh, so these are candles where the buying and closing value was exactly the same for a few days. Right, I forgot that these candles exist. So it's not just bearish and bullish. I forgot the name, but they're these candles that don't change. Okay, it's increasing a little. I'm gonna buy around $20 as well. So process trade. Okay, it's starting to increase. There are no bullish candles. That is so surprising. It's only bearish candles and those ones. Hold on, let me see what it's called again. Candlestick chart. I'm gonna try to find it. Oh, doji candles. Yes. Doji candles. I kind of bought it at a high. Well, that's not great. Maybe I should have realized that it was a high because there's no bullish candles. It's increasing though. Well, there is no trend. Oh, I mean, there are these trends, the smaller increases. But I can't predict like this sort of drop using the brush map, the brush graph. Oh, there we go. They're the bullish candles. Oh, it's going back down. That's not good. So I literally bought it at a high. That's not good. I'm losing so much money. I'm just gonna wait. Hopefully I break even. We'll see what happens. So it did increase a little. I am breaking even right now. But it doesn't seem to increase too much. The trend is going down as well. But I sort of want to wait. I mean, if I lose those $20, I lose those $20. Oh. Come on, go back up. Go back up. Oh, he just went down so much. I can't really upgrade anything. I don't have enough money. And a lot of my money is going to interest. Unfortunately, I may lose all my money here. At least it's not real money. Best to make the mistakes now. I sort of like the brush graph better than the simple moving average. I think I find it more useful in predicting what's going to happen next. But even then, it doesn't really tell me too much. I got unlucky. Yeah, I'm losing. I'm gonna be broke soon. I'm gonna be in the red. We'll see how much debt I can go into. I have a few dollars in holdings. You have a negative balance. It's okay, let's keep going. Let's see. If I'm like long gone with my negative balance, I will restart. All funds rewards. I'm gonna wait. Let me finish this stock first. It just doesn't know that the stock is just gonna keep going down. Probably does. Dang, that is unlucky. This is an unfortunate stop. Let me lose all my money. Oh. Okay. It just shot up. Stop. I understand I'm in debt. I'm still in debt though. If I got it at this time, this day, that would have been nice. Keep going. How many years is this? I guess this stock has been struggling. Dismiss. All right. Stop. I understand I'm in debt. I feel like the more I learn, the more unlucky I get. The more I learn about the stock, the worse it becomes. How many years is this one? 8 years. And I got it on the peak too. If I bought it initially, I think I would have made a little bit of money. Keep going. It's just gonna go down some more, isn't it? How long is this? The one thing I don't like about this game is I wish it would tell me how long the stock survives for, but I guess that's more closer to real life because then you don't know how long that stock will survive for. Well, some of them still exist, it's just that the data ends, or the data that they have ends. I like how I started the stream with I think $200 something, and now I have negative $25. Keep going. I don't need a restart. Can you stop telling me to restart? I guess I could click don't show again, but what if I do want to restart? I just want to see this stock to the end. And then I will restart. I do want to restart eventually if it's really bad. I just want to see this stock to the end though. I really like this music. Keep going. No. Whoa. Hello? sell all of it. We're still so much in debt though. I'm still so much in debt because of the loan interest. Stop. Let me finish. 11 years. Keep going. 12. How many years is this? I think I made a small profit, but not enough to make up for the interest. I guess it could have held a bit more, but I don't think it would have changed too much. See, here's the thing. I don't really see the cycles that they were talking about, where you can look at the brush graph and look at cycles. I don't see them. Keep going. Let's see. I'm almost negative $50. Wow. Oh, how far I've gone. At one point I had $500. I think the previous stream that I did this. Keep going. 13 years. I want to find where I can auto pause and play. Okay, that would be useful. Very useful. Whoa, it jumped. $13. What stock is this? I'm curious. Let me go. Let me keep going. How many? My hand is getting sore from clicking. Okay, sorry. I need a break. My hand is gonna fall off. Oh, how far we've dropped. We have come from 89 cents to 500 something dollars to negative $59. This is truly buy low. Wait, no, buy high, sell low. What happened today? The last time I played, last week, I made a lot actually. Okay, gonna keep clicking. How many years of data does this one have? The previous one only had 8 years. This is almost double. It's year 15. That's unfortunate, and this little error keeps showing up. I'm negative $67. Why do I have 1 cent in holdings? What? I thought I had no money in holdings. I have 1 cent. Keep clicking. Oh. Keep going. Keep going. It's almost year 16. I hope it ends soon. My finger is gonna fall off. And also, I'm gonna be negative $100 in debt. I only have $25 in cash, and all of that is being spent on my interest that I still need to pay off. It is year 16 already. How many more years is this one gonna go on for? So my own wallet has negative $78. But I do still have $21 in buying power. However, I've been using that money to pay off the interest. Keep going. How long is this? It's almost gonna be year 17. Come on. Can you end so I can just see what stock this is? This stock has some wild fluctuations. So it kind of does happen in cycles, I guess. It's just you can't predict when the cycle is gonna come. So there's this spike. We can see this spike, and then we can see this spike over here. Oh, you can't see. Hold on. The spike right next to my head, on the right of my head, right here. Keep going. I need that play button. That pause and play button. Okay, I'll stop. If this doesn't end by the time I hit $100 in debt, I'm just gonna stop. I'm not even gonna see the end to this stock. My finger hurts. So whatever comes first, $100 in debt or the end of this data. Oh, I'm almost at $90 in debt though. Why is this so long? 17 years? Keep going. Almost at $100 debt. I am negative $93. The thing is, I didn't even buy high, sell low. It was just the margin interest. I wish I could just not have margin interest. Yeah, basically, when I'm $100 in debt, I don't even have any buying power. So if that's the case, then I can't do anything. However, I still have $2 worth of buying power. This stock really screwed me over. That's why I'm so curious to know what it is. But I don't know if the game will let me continue. So I am $100 in debt. Hold on. Oh, the... Okay, well, I guess I can see what happens. So let's restart. Restarting after massive loss isn't an option. Investing is extremely risky. By clicking restart, you start a new run with $180 in capital, banked funds, along with learn and earn revenue. You will need to repurchase all upgrades. This will be your second run. Yes, let's restart. Okay. Banked funds. That's not bad though. Upgrades must be repurchased. Is there one where I don't have to click so much? So I'm gonna start out with... I feel that the volume doesn't really tell me too much. I personally like the brush. So I'm gonna buy that. And I'm also gonna buy... Oh, That's not what I want to click upgrades. Reduce loan, because I just think that's worth. Okay, let's start here. I can take out a loan, but I don't want to. This time I'm not going to take out a loan, and I'm going to just buy only 10. So I'm going to buy $10 worth of stock. And luckily this time I won't lose money on the loan. I knew I should have waited, but that's okay. I bought at a peak. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Am I gonna lose all my money after the first run? Oh, okay. Increase? So increase, decrease by cycles. So are you gonna increase again? Or are you just gonna keep going down? Looks like it's just gonna go down. I'm trying my best here. This is all I have. And I bought it at a peak. I should have just waited. But how did I know that was gonna happen? The game just put me on to that day. Oh, I lost my $10, didn't I? It is now $2.50 something, a dollar. So when is this cycle gonna happen again? When is this peak gonna happen again? So if I use the brush data, it's not gonna happen again, is it? Oh, it's so low. I wonder why this keeps changing. Is it because of the cents I own? Oh no. Can I restart again? Another thing about this trade technical analysis that is kind of hard to understand is that since you don't know what the product is, you can't even base it off of the product. Because, like, let's say a company is going to release something new, usually their stocks will increase if it's a successful product, or you think it's going to be a successful product. However, for this, you don't know that, so you have to base it off of whatever they give you, which is not much. Unlucky. I think I'm just gonna sell. I have 41 cents. I mean, what can I do, really? Should I wait a little longer? I mean, it's so flat that I don't think it would matter if I sold. So I lost my $10. Yeah, that sucks. The one's gonna spike again. This is almost to nothing. I could take out a loan, but I don't want to take out a loan. It's gonna end up telling me, if you want to restart again, your balance is negative. The overall trend is just down, down, down. How long do I have to go? The only criticism of this game is this clicking thing. I know you can upgrade it, but it's so long. It takes forever. It's been 6 years. It's been 6 years since I have seen my money. I've lost so much. I had to restart my life somewhere else. I think I'm going crazy. And this is not even real money. Well, it's not like I had money. Anyways. Okay. This time, I'm gonna try to be a little smarter. And I'm gonna wait instead of immediately buying. And I'm not gonna get any loans either this time. And no upgrades. I think I upgraded too quickly. So, good thing I didn't buy it initially, because it peaked. But it seems to be going up. It's too early to tell right now. Darn! It'll go down, right? Yeah? Yeah? Okay, I think now is a good time to buy. We'll buy another $10. And we'll see how much I can get from it. There's no cycles. I can't see the cycles. It's too difficult to see the cycles from the brush graph. Maybe the next one I should invest in is volume. Oh, unlucky. We'll see how much. Okay. Go up and then it'll go down? But I only made $1. That's not worth it for me to sell right now. I should have bought it here, but that's okay. I was expecting it to go a bit lower. Okay. Okay, okay. Okay. Yeah, I don't know how to expect that. It's gonna go up more. Okay, it's going down. Maybe I should sell. Let's sell. I feel that since I have no loans to pay, I think selling sooner is good. Because then at least I made a profit and it doesn't matter how long how much time passes by because I don't need to pay the loan. Okay, I sold at not a bad spot for now. I want to upgrade things and I want to do a learning point because the whole point of me playing this is to learn, except I can't get to that level of wealth. I need at least 200 in order to buy that one because just like last time the money dropped too low. And I really just want to keep going. My hand hurts so much. Keep going. Okay, but selling then was good. I did sell at a peak. See, that's the thing. Like, what pattern am I seeing? I guess it sort of peaks, like, goes twice and then goes down. But this is so much of a different peak, it doesn't really change much. And then if that's the case, then it should peak again, which I guess it is. So it'll slightly go down and peak again. But then it's hard to know exactly when those peaks are going to happen. So if I do follow the cycle of the brush map, after this peak, it should start to go down. Which it's not really doing. It's going up. I guess it peaked, goes down, and then should have smaller peaks in the middle, and then while it's going down, and then peak again. No, I don't want a loan. I don't want more leverage. I need to end this. So it should go down more and then peak again. If there truly is a cycle. But it's so hard to see the cycle. Even this brush graph has been obsolete because it's so low. It kind of almost looks like a flat line. But I guess, I mean, it goes down and then peaks. But then, how long? Within a year? This a year and this a year? Actually, yeah, maybe. So the cycle is 1 year. And then it'll go down again, and then the next year it will start to peak up again. So right before year 8, you should have a peak if the cycle part is correct. And then in between should have smaller peaks, but not something that can sort of be the same as the initial one. However, the overall trend for this one is to have those peaks and then decrease. Keep going. Increase. No, that doesn't really match the data. The cycle. Does it peak here? Kind of. So it peaks near the end of year 7, and it sort of peaks again here, and then it drops down, just like year 7. I guess so. Maybe it does have a cycle that I just don't know about. It's going up though. That's not part of the cycle. Keep on clicking. My finger hurts. I hope, if anyone's still watching, I hope your day is going well. I have nothing much else to do other than to try to talk to chat and keep clicking. Because I'm not going to buy. I think it's too risky for me to buy here. I got pretty lucky with buying when it was this low and then when it was this high because it didn't really recover. Except maybe here, but that would have not been worth for me. I'm happy at the second round though, they don't make you take a loan. Because the first round they did, they made me take a loan. That was not good. Because the interest really hurt me later on. But I truly wish I could get the autoplay. Just because it makes my life so much more simpler. I think it's kind of not great that my finger hurts while playing a stock trading game. Like, should it hurt? I don't know. It is going back up. That's good. But my whole thought process about having it peak within years and in cycles, it didn't really happen. Okay, I'm switching fingers to press this button. Keeps clicking. Did my music stop? It did. Oh. Oh, hold on. Okay. Keep going. Year 10. Huh. The increase of it wasn't that much. How many years? I hope it's not like 17, 20 years. If it is, I'm gonna lose my mind. I can't click for that long. So apparently the developers of this game make a bunch of other educational games. And they're pretty interesting in terms of their description. Never played any of them, though. So there's that. Oh, it's going up. It's going back down. Why do I have 1 cent in holdings? I don't get it. I guess as long as you waited 6-7 years, you can make a lot of money. I'm still pretty happy at where I bought mine, or sold mine, though. Huh, it looks like it's gonna go down. But maybe these cycles are supposed to be short-term cycles in terms of looking at the brush. Keep on clicking. My hand is getting tired. I'm just playing a stock game. Why is my hand getting tired? Let me go. I just want to finish this stock and move on to another one. I don't think I'm gonna purchase anymore. Come on, let me go. Keep going, keep going. It's gonna stay flat, then drop down. Okay, I was thinking about buying one right here just for the sake of it. Good thing I didn't. It dropped down more. Oh, and of course it goes back up after I said that. Actually, well, no, it's sort of stabilized. Year 13! Ugh, I need to switch hands. I hope my mouse does not become damaged after this. See, like, how am I supposed to predict that? I guess the cycles could be these, like, 2 peaks. But still, I don't see it. I know what you're supposed to do with each graph, but I don't see the actual correlation when it comes to this. I'm clicking. Oh, jumped a little. How much more do I have to hold? I wish I could hold down this button, it would step forward me. Okay, now my other hand is getting tired. Luckily, I really appreciate that I don't have to pay any interest, so that was what kind of screwed me over the other time. I'm gonna have very strong fingers. My pointer finger is gonna hurt tomorrow. On both my hands. I'm poking my mouse. And I hope my mouse is okay. I mean, it is a nicer mouse, so it should be fine, I think. Keep going. Oh, my hand. This is gonna take forever. What if I bought $2? Just for the fun of it. I'll buy $2. And like, once again, with the fact that I have no interest, it doesn't really matter if I lose all of it. I wonder if I can get it to like $3 or something. But I also have to make back that transaction fee. Oh, it's going up, sort of. Okay. 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 I made $4? Oh no, it's gonna go down, isn't it? Oh no. This is year 17. How long is this stock? How long is the data? Oh, it's going back to its original price. Or to the original price I bought it at. I did buy it at a dip, so that was good on my end. I could have sold it at that peak, but it's $2. I kind of want to see what happens at the very end. See if I make anything. It's year 18. That is a lot of data. Okay. So it went up, down, and there's no real trend. It might spike again. So 2%, so I buy $2 worth of something. That's a 10%, 3% transaction fee. So that'll be a little less than 10%, or 10 cents. Sorry. Not 10% transaction fee, 3% transaction fee, and it was less than 10 cents. So I've already made it back. I bought it for around 2 something, I think. It's almost 20 years! I clicked my mouse the days of 20 years. Yeah, my only criticism of this game would be please just have a button. I know there's an upgrade, but I just don't think it's worth. It's really tedious and not fun to keep on clicking. And on top of that, I have to learn from getting upgrades, but I can't learn from getting upgrades if I don't do super well. Keep going. Oh, it's year 20 already. This better not be like 50 years of stock. I don't think I can handle clicking that much. If it is 50 years of stock, after this stock, I'm done. I'm gonna end the stream here and sleep. That being said, I feel like I still learned. I learned about brush graphs, and I learned about the SMA, so the standard... What is it called again? I keep forgetting. Simple, not standard, simple moving average. And then I also learned about the EMA, which is the exponential version of that. Year 20. Oh, it is gonna go to like year 21, is it? Or maybe they could have a thing where it's like, if you're done trading with this stock and you don't want to move on, then it can just do it all for you, like, or show the entire graph of data it has, and then you can just move on to the next one. So that way you can still analyze the final graph, but it doesn't have to be this painful on my hand. I hope that you can't hear the clicks, because it is just non-stop clicking. And I'm pleasantly surprised by last time I streamed. I learned about bearish candles. And bullish candles, like the bear and a bull. And of course I like bears. Because bears are great. Oh, it's going down so low. Come on, just end! It is what it is. I guess I should have sold here, but I would have only made $2, which is fine. I only put in $2. Keep on clicking. Just keep clicking. I love this song so much. I think it's one of my background musics for my scenes, at one of the scenes. I think my chatting stream, or either my starting stream. Or it could be my ending streams card. Year 22! You have to just let this one end, please. Long. Some of them are 8 years long, and some of them are year 22. Like, I understand that not knowing what it is makes you analyze the graphs more, but also I want to learn more. And my hand hurts. I'm just complaining at this point. Sorry, everyone. You're just gonna hear me complain. Keep going. How many years? Year 25? Ugh. Honestly, at this point, I might just take out a loan because I'm tired of clicking. Will me taking out a loan help this thing go by faster? Okay, what if I sell? I made nothing. If I sell right now. I need to sell it when it becomes like $3-something. But it's hovering around 2. My holdings, I mean. Trade bots, is this really necessary? Okay. I don't know how much more I can click. Is there a way I can just keep going? I can't. Ugh, my hand needs a break. So how's everyone doing? I'm doing fine. I did learn quite a bit. I guess in the meantime, while my hand is given a break, let's review a little bit. So for candlestick charts, so this is the real body. Okay. So bearish candle. Oh. Bearish candle. Bearish candle shows that the price has decreased over a period of time. The bullish candle shows that the price has increased over a period of time. And they represent the closing and opening price. So in a bullish candle, because the closing price is higher than the opening price is at the bottom, and the closing price for the bullish candle is at the bottom because a bearish candle. Okay, sorry. A bullish candle is when the closing price is higher. Bearish, just like me, blueberry, is when the closing price is lower. And these little wicks, these shadows, tails, is the highest price bought during that period and the lowest price. And so when this happens, it means the price opens and closes at the same price. Or the market opens and closes at the same price, and then there's the wicks as well, and they're called doji candles. So margin loans. So margin loan is basically a loan. Leverage is the ratio that you can get from a loan. So if you have $50, you borrow like twice that amount, or you borrow that amount, then now your leverage is twice. I think that's how it goes, right? It's by ratios. So your original amount versus how much more you can buy now. Yeah, so if I guess in this example, if you have $500,000 as your original one and you go to a broker, you get a margin loan, you get another 500. You get that 2-to-1 ratio of what you had initially. Margin rates are your interest, so just like any other loan, you have interest. And then your amount of money you can buy or use in the stock market is called buying power. So fees, there are a lot of fees that you have when you purchase things. So variable fees are like percentage fees. So in this game, we get variable fees because they're percentages of what I buy from. And then we have fixed fees, which are just a certain fee for the same amount. So let's say a fixed fee would be each transaction, a fee of that is $20. So it doesn't matter how much you purchase or transact, it is $20 regardless. And then volume is talking about, hold on, validity. So you can talk about the price. So volume is the number of shares traded over a period of the day. In this case, when I buy the volume upgrade, it shows a small little bar graph like down here. That is the amount of shares traded over a day. And then that can help you predict whether or not it goes up or down. However, it's obviously there's some invalid signals, so it's still unpredictable at the end of the day. So simple moving average. So this is the average of a value. In this case, they're showing the closing price. So if you take the closing prices, you add them and then divide them by 3, that will be your simple moving average. So it is all equal across all periods of time, just as long as it's divided by that period of time. And there's also the EMA, which is the exponential moving average, or exponential weighted average is when there's a higher weight of the newer data. So the old data is still accounted for, but it's not taken that much into consideration as much as the newer one. So brushing offers greater insight, and it can be used to predict cycles. Drop down where you can view totality of the stock's activity and click. Comparing stock's movement at a particular time to its historic movement may provide insights. Yes. So you can see cycles, and hopefully those cycles can help predict. However, that doesn't mean it can. Alright. So that was the end of that. My finger has been rested a little bit. I think I can continue clicking. I've clicked through every single day, 25 years. Well, not every single day, but each day the stock market is open. I think it skips weekends. And then it should like jump soon. Because the stock market is closed on weekends, I think. But this graph is so zoomed out that you can't even see it move anymore. Yeah, hopefully that recap made sense, and hopefully it helped a little bit. Or maybe got you interested in learning. Ugh, my hand. You know, honestly, after this stock, I think I'm gonna end the stream there. It depends whether or not the stock will end. Oh, it's dropping some more. Oh, lovely. It's $2. I'm not gonna bother selling. I want to see it to the end. Please, just end. I don't even care. Why is this stock so long? Is it gonna be 26 years? Or 27 years, actually? Wait, it's glitched. It's still on 25 years here, but over here, and the graph is 27. Did it glitch? Hold on, okay. Once this hits December and January, let's see if this increases. If it doesn't increase, then I think there's a glitch or something. And maybe that is why it is taking me forever. So I can keep going. Because it should show year 27. But it says year 25. Oh, the price is going back up, though. Oh, it is year 27. Whoa, what happened? It just jumped? It's fixed itself. Or maybe it heard me and it just wants to keep me here. Ugh. My hand. I barely made any gains. But I think I'm gonna end the stream here. A 2-hour stream is not bad, I hope. But yeah, thank you everyone for coming, and I really appreciate it. And like I said, I made sort of announcements at the beginning of the stream, but I'll say them again. So if anyone has any demos that they would like me to play for my 200 subscriber celebration, please go into the community tab or either my Twitter and comment them. Make sure they have like an official PC demo, either on itch, is it called itch.io, or on Steam. Why didn't I think of Steam? But yeah, either on itch.io or Steam. And I will be taking a hiatus in September due to sort of unexpected business travels, and usually I will work on content creation, but unfortunately this time I can't. Like when I take breaks, I usually work behind the scenes stuff, but unfortunately this time I can't. And thank you for everyone who voted for a programming language on my Twitter. I'm gonna get the top few voted programming languages, and I'm gonna make another poll, and then that will be the final one. So whatever wins on that one, I will be trying and attempting to make a video series where I learn that language from the beginning, and hopefully all of you can learn with me. But yeah, and that's about it. So look out for my tweets on Twitter for the programming language thing. Feel free to comment any games, and I will be taking a hiatus. TLDR. And I'm gonna look for someone to raid on Twitch. I had a lot of fun playing trade bots if it weren't for me clicking so much. I think I have exercised my hands. This is the most amount of exercise I've had in probably years. But yeah, thank you so much. Oh, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and follow if you're on the purple site. But yeah, I really, truly appreciate it, and I'm gonna find someone to raid. Ooh, I'm gonna raid Jams. Playing Fields of Mistra. I've seen this game everywhere. And it looks super cute. I would get it if I didn't already have so many games that are already so similar to it. But maybe I'll get it one day. So I'll be raiding on Twitch, and I will also have the raid message. Just let me pull that up. Oh, that's the link if you're on the red site, but if you're on the purple site, it will take you there immediately. And let me put the raid message on one as well. But yeah, raid's gonna start in around 10 seconds. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2,